How to fix Slack login problem. If you're trying to log into your Slack workspace but the magic link keeps looping, your single sign-on authentication fails, or the app gets stuck on a blank sign-in screen, it can completely lock you out of your workday. So I'm going to show you how to fix Slack login issues step by step so you can get back into your channels. So when Slack sends a magic sign-in link to your email, clicking it relies on your default web browser to pass security tokens back to the Slack app. If your browser cache is corrupt, that handoff fails completely. So open up your default browser, go to three dots here, settings, in the search bar type in clear, okay, or just type in cache. All right, go here, delete browsing data, then choose last 24 hours, cached images, don't delete the cookies, and then press delete from this device. And also guys, alternatively, instead of clicking the magic link directly in your email client, just right click the button and select copy link address, open a fresh incognito or private browser window, paste that URL and just press enter. If you are stuck on the find your workspace screen, double check that you are using your team's exact full web URL. Slack workspaces follow a specific address format, such as your company slack.com. Typing your email address without specifying the workspace name can cause authentication loops. And if the login portal times out or displays a connection error, network security software is likely blocking the verification handshake. So if you're using a VPN or an ad blocker, just disable it temporarily and try again. And that's it. This is literally all there is to it. Try out these fixes, guys. If they help, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe.